Okay, guys, my husband and I are getting ready to make a quick dinner. I am going to use my aroma rice cooker. I have 2 cups of brown rice, and once the rice is ready, I'm going to add 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chili, Signature Select, Jules brand. And we have some turkey kielbasa, smoked turkey sausage, 1/2 the fat. Really good, guys. Acreage brand, we got these from Burkhart's Superfoods. And I'm also going to add some diced onions and some garlic. We're going to saute those in the skillet. And a little surprise at the end. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I have the rice in the rice cooker. And as you can see, it's almost up to the 2 cup mark, and I'm going to add some water. So I'm adding 2.5 cups of water. And okay, now I'm going to set this rice cooker on. Well, first we're going to turn it on, and we're going to hit brown rice. And oh, there we go. Okay, so now the rice cooker have started. You can see those tracing lines, and I don't know how long it takes for the brown rice to cook. I've never particularly timed it. The only thing I've noticed about the rice cooker, this aroma rice cooker, is that it has these tracing lines until the last 10 minutes. And then it'll start showing up as numbers and do a countdown from 10 to 1. All right, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so we have the turkey kielbasa sliced up in the pot. We're going to add, I've added the diced tomatoes with the green chilies. We're going to add some Italian seasoning. Yep. Wait, let's do the garlic. We have some garlic, minced garlic, some black pepper, and a can of low sodium 100% vegetable juice, V8. Go ahead, babe. Pour it in there.
Gotta make it healthy.
Absolutely. Okay, guys, we'll be back.
And save your cans.
Oh, and save your cans for recycling. You can get a little extra money for them. Oh, guys, you got to see. I got to show you guys one day how many cans we've saved up. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, we have added the rice, the brown rice. So we're going to let it all cook together in my little tote belly pot. Look at that, guys. Yay! Okay, guys. Sorry about the finger. We'll be back. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like in the pot. And I'm going to show you how we're going to serve it up. We'll be back. There it is, guys. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? Oh, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. All right, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, and this is how we're serving it up. 2 over easy eggs on the top. Now tell me that's not enough to feed a hungry belly. From my family to yours. Happy eating. P.S. Don't that look delicious, guys? Okay, until next time.